Gonna get her fixed. We got some snow out here on the mountain peaks. It's 72 degrees, January 1st, 2021. Snow out here on our mountain peaks. And got the FD coming back from the exhaust shop. Gonna attempt to start it today, possibly. Try to hit up AutoZone for that premix. Alright, what up everyone? So, got the exhaust done on the FD or the downpipe and the wastegate. All that's plumbed up. I was trying to get the car to start before for 2021 started, but wasn't able to do that due to my lack of execution, just to sum it down. So I wanted to get it started, but kind of waited to the last minute to get the exhaust done. A friend of a friend was gonna do the exhaust for me, and that didn't work, so I ended up just sticking to Rocky over at DMC Exhaust Werks. If you guys need some work done here in Southern California, Azuza, Irwindale, Upland area, he does some pretty nice custom stuff, and especially if you're in a pinch, he can get it knocked out for you. So check him out, DMC Exhaust Werks. I'll tag their Instagram. They also he also has a business that he teaches people how to drift. I want to say it's called, I can't remember what it's called, Drift something. So I'll throw that in there as well. But if you're trying to learn how to drift and you're in SoCal, he has a track car that he rents out. And he teaches you how to drift and do all that snazzy jazzy stuff for people that like to waste their tires, or maybe you just want to waste his tires. Is that a boogie in my nose? I got a boogie right here. I got a boogie in my nose that whole time. I don't care. But yeah, so he's not that far from me. It's like a couple exits down, 7-8 exits down from my pad. So less than a 10-minute drive for me. Lucky me. So we're gonna put this, get this car back in the garage, tie up some loose ends, which is just running the coolant to the water pump, thermostat housing, the water pump housing, whatever. Getting it plumbed on the right side, and then that's it.